this is Hannah and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another unboxing video. In case you guys are wondering, bakit pa isa-isa pa yung unboxing video ni Hannah? Bakit hindi niya na lang sabay-sabayin sa isang vlog? Well, hindi ko rin alam. Char, patika. Actually, you guys, hindi kasi sabay-sabay dumarating yung mga boxes. Kaya instead of waiting, which is a total waste of time for me, so mag-vlog na lang ako. Kaya eto na siya, you guys. So long story short, we collaborated with Sugar Bear Hair, which is a company that sells vitamins for your hair. We have been exchanging emails for the past few months and they were generous enough to send me some of their products to try out, and I'm super duper excited to see what this is. So just a quick backstory on how I found out about Sugar Bear Hair.
Way back 2018, I dyed my hair blonde. When I moved to Boracay for work, I had to dye my hair back to its natural color, which is dark brown. Hindi ako makahanap ng dark brown na hair dye. So instead, I bought blackening shampoo. Because I thought that it's the same thing. Kaya ayun, so I bought blackening shampoo, which is a big no-no pala kapag na-bleach yung buhok mo. I did not know that time kasi first time ko rin naman nag-bleach ng hair and first time ko din naman gagamit ng blackening shampoo. So, I did not know. Then, the result was like, ang damage talaga yung buhok ko, guys. To the point na kapag sinusupply ko siya ng ganon, gamit yung kamay ko, ang daming buhok na natatanggal. As in, super puspagsis yung buhok ko, guys. Sabi ko, makalbo na ko.
So since my hair was super damaged, my remedy was to use a lot of conditioners just to make my hair smooth and like mabalik siya bala sa original yung texture and everything. But it was such a hassle for me, you know. So yan, one of the regrets I have in life. So long story short, I saw an ad for a hair vitamin. Tapos wala, mag-uni siya how ma-try nga. After trying, I cannot stop. I have been using Sugar Bear Hair for 1 year already and my hair has never been healthier. So that's it, you guys. That's the backstory of how I found out about Sugar Bear Hair. I believe damon ako na hambal. So let's open this. Okay, so wala ako scissors. So ano na lang, blows out. Sent me the Dream Deep Eat Purple Sugar Bear Sleep Vitamins. Yan. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, aside from Sugar Bear Hair vitamins, they also have two other products, which is Women's Multivitamins and Sugar Bear Sleep Vitamins, which is this one. Timing talaga siya kasi I've been having troubles trying to sleep lately, and I think it's a good way for me to try out if this really works for me. Okay, so it's the world's first USA vegan gummy bear sleep vitamin. So ito siya, you guys. Okay, so ito yung nakasulat sa likod. Sugar Bear Vegan Vitamin Care. Falls asleep faster. Lab tested for quality and vegan. Yan! Okay, so ayan siya. Okay, so ito yung product, guys. So this is the Sugar Bear Sleep Vitamin. So it supports restful sleep, lab tested for quality, vegan, scientifically formulated, has organic tapioca sweetener, and contains natural fruit flavors. Easy to chew vegan vitamin designed for all genders 13 and over who need sleep support with normal occasional sleeplessness. Enjoy these sweet-smelling, soft, chewy Sugar Bear gummies made with fruit-based pectin. Feel good about your sleep and the planet with these cruelty-free gummy vitamin bears. Okay, so they also sent me socks. I love it because favorite color ko yung violet. So, thank you so much. Napaka-timing naman. Tapos, keychain na may gummy bear at saka unicorn. Sobrang cute. And, hair tie. I think, is this a hair tie or scrunchie? So, ito siya. So, they sent me 3 bottles. So, 1 bottle is already good for 1 month. Then, you take 2 gummy bears every day. As a dietary supplement, take 2 gummy vitamins 30 minutes before bed. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. Do not exceed recommended dose. So, ayan. So, still, 2 gummy bear pa din, but 30 minutes before going to bed. Unlike the Sugar Bear Hair vitamins that you can just take 2 gummy bears any time of the day. So, ayan. Sobrang bango niya, guys. Cute. Yan. So, what I like about the products of Sugar Bear is that it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's chewable, and it's made out of gummy bears. Yan. Diba? Sobrang witty ng idea nila. I'm really excited to try this out. It really came at the right time. Ayan, thank you so much, Sugar Bear. Okay, so you can also go ahead and check out their website, www.sugarbearhair.com, or their Instagram account, Sugar Bear Hair. Thank you very much, Sugar Bear Hair, for sending me. So that's it for today's unboxing video. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any other suggestions on what videos I should be doing next, you know the drill. Comment down on the comment section below, and also don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you very much, you guys. Keep safe, have a good day, and God bless. Mwah.